wanted to create professional studio quality talking head videos without ever showing your face, recording your voice, or investing in expensive equipment? Video is the most powerful medium today. It dominates social media, education, marketing, and business communication. But creating professional videos can be intimidating. Cameras, lighting, audio, editing, it's time-consuming and costly. That's exactly where Synthesia AI changes everything. In this tutorial and review, I'll walk you step by step through how to use Synthesia, an AI-powered video creation platform that turns your text into lifelike professional videos featuring realistic AI avatars and natural voices. You'll also discover exactly how creators and freelancers are using this tool to generate $500 to $5,000 plus monthly, creating videos for clients, building faceless YouTube channels, and scaling video services with minimal overhead. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create studio-quality videos in minutes, all from your laptop. 3 videos you can create today. Before we dive in, here are 3 quick wins you can achieve within your first hour. 1. A personal introduction video for LinkedIn or your website, perfect for building authority. 2. A product demonstration for a local business, charge $200 to $500 for this. An educational explainer for YouTube. Start your Faceless channel today. Now let's get you set up. What is Synthesia? Synthesia is an AI-powered video generator that lets you produce high-quality videos without cameras, actors, or editing skills. It replaces traditional video production with simple text-to-video technology. Just type your script, choose a virtual presenter, pick a voice, and generate your video. That's it. No filming, no equipment, no studio. Over 50,000 companies and creators use Synthesia, from global brands to solo entrepreneurs, educators, agencies, and corporate trainers. Here's where it gets exciting for your wallet. A professional 2-minute explainer video costs $2,000 to $5,000 traditionally. With Synthesia's $89 per month plan, you can create 50+ similar videos for the same price freelancers charge $200 to $500 per video to businesses. Agencies scale video services with 90% profit margins. YouTube creators build faceless channels generating passive ad revenue. Multiple income streams, one tool. Why Synthesia is a game changer. Traditional video production is expensive and time-consuming. You might pay thousands for actors, equipment, editing, and studio rentals. And that's per video. With Synthesia, you pay a small monthly fee, starting around $29 to $89. And you can produce unlimited professional videos in minutes. This means freelancers and agencies can offer high-value video services with almost zero overhead. Businesses can create consistent, multilingual corporate videos instantly. YouTube creators can produce faceless, high-quality videos on any topic. Educators can design courses and tutorials without filming. It levels the playing field. Anyone can produce studio-quality videos with ease. Step 1. Signing up for Synthesia. Go to synthesia.io and click Get Started or Create Account. Choose the plan that fits your needs. The starter plan works great for individuals. Enter your name, email, and password, verify your email, and complete payment. Once registered, you'll get full access to your dashboard, where your video creation journey begins. Step 2. Exploring the dashboard. The Synthesia dashboard is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. From here, you can create new videos or choose from templates, manage avatars and voice options, organize projects, access your brand kit, and collaborate with team members on business plans. Everything you need is clearly laid out. To start, click New Video. Step 3. Choosing a template or starting from scratch. When you click New Video, you'll see options to start from scratch. Upload a presentation, use the AI video assistant to generate content automatically, or choose from hundreds of professional templates. Templates are ideal for beginners and client work. They're beautifully structured with transitions and design elements already in place. Select a template that matches your purpose and you're ready to customize. Step 4. Writing your script. Here's something most people miss. Your script makes or breaks the video. At the bottom of the editor, you'll see the script box. Type the exact words your AI avatar will speak. Use this proven formula: hook, first 3 seconds, plus problem, plus solution, plus action. For example, struggling with low website conversions? In 90 seconds, I'll show you 3 design tweaks that increased our clients' sales by 47%. Let's start with the home page. Keep sentences under 15 words. Use conversational language like you're talking to a friend. Avoid jargon unless your audience expects it. If you're unsure what to say, use Synthesia's AI script assistant to help you write clear, engaging text. Step 5. Choosing your avatar. Next, choose your presenter. Synthesia offers over 200 diverse, realistic AI avatars of different ages, ethnicities, and styles. Pro tip: match your avatar to your audience. Corporate training? Choose professional attire. Social media content? Go casual and approachable. This small detail dramatically improves engagement. For more personalization, you can create a custom avatar that looks and sounds like you. Just upload a short video of yourself following Synthesia's guidelines, and the AI will generate your digital clone. Perfect for building a consistent personal brand without appearing on camera. Step 6. Choosing your voice. Now select a voice. Synthesia supports over 130 languages with regional accents and tones. Match voice style to purpose. Corporate training needs calm and clear. Marketing videos need energetic and confident. Educational tutorials need patient and encouraging. Preview the voice.
Welcome to the secure template.
Select your favorite, and it automatically syncs with your chosen avatar. If you created a personal avatar, you can even use your own cloned voice for total authenticity. Step 7. Customization and polish. Now let's make your video visually engaging with design elements, animations, and branding. Design elements. Add images, icons, stock footage, text overlays, captions, background videos, charts, and shapes. Synthesia integrates with large stock media libraries. Upload your own logos and product images. Want music? Choose from the Background Music tab. Filter by mood and adjust volume to complement narration without overpowering it. Animations and transitions. Animate text, icons, and images with fade-ins, slides, or zoom effects. Add smooth transitions between scenes like fades or wipes. These subtle touches separate amateur videos from professional ones and justify higher client rates. Branding. Apply your company's colors, fonts, and logos across all scenes with one click. Save a complete brand kit so every new video automatically follows your visual identity. Remember, visuals should support your message, not distract from it. When in doubt, keep it clean and simple. Step 8. Collaborating and translating. Creating great content often involves teamwork. Synthesia lets you invite team members or clients to collaborate, edit, and leave comments directly within the project. And here's a game changer for scaling your income: instant AI translation. With one click, your entire video mod, including voice, subtitles, and text, translates into over 120 languages. Your avatar lip syncs naturally in that new language. This means one video becomes 10 plus localized versions. Charge clients for multilingual content packages and multiply your revenue per project. Step 9. Previewing and exporting. When your video is complete, click Preview. Tweak anything that needs adjusting. pacing, visuals, or timing. Then hit Generate Video. Synthesia AI renders your video in just a few minutes. Once ready, download it as an MP4, share via a public link, embed it on your website, upload to YouTube or social platforms, or export in SCORM format for e-learning systems. You can even create different aspect ratios for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Step 10. Tracking performance. After publishing, track your video's performance through Synthesia's analytics dashboard. See total views, average watch time, completion rates, and audience demographics. Good videos typically achieve 60% plus completion rates. If yours drops below 50%, tighten your script and add more visual variety. Common mistakes to avoid. Here's what beginners get wrong. 1. Using unnatural, overly formal scripts. Write like you talk. 2. Choosing mismatched avatars for your audience. Match demographics and tone. 3. Overloading slides with too much text. Keep it to 2 to 3 short sentences max. 4. Ignoring audio balance. Music should sit 30 to 40% below voice volume. 5. Skipping the preview. Always watch your full video before rendering. Now it's your turn. Start with one simple project. Create a 30-second introduction video for your business or channel. Then experiment with one client project or post it on your social media. That's how you'll discover what Synthesia can really do for your income. Pause here and think, what's one video you could create right now? With Synthesia, anyone, from solo creators to enterprise teams, can produce professional, engaging videos without cameras, studios, or technical skills. It saves time, reduces costs, and empowers creativity at scale. Whether you're a YouTube creator, educator, entrepreneur, or business owner, Synthesia gives you the tools to communicate visually, connect with audiences, and grow your brand effortlessly. Want to see advanced techniques like creating viral social media clips or landing high-paying video clients? Drop "advanced" in the comments, and I'll create a follow-up tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials, and turn on notifications for future updates. And if you're ready to stack another income stream, watch my tutorial on making money with Canva next. It pairs perfectly with Synthesia for a complete video and design service package that clients will pay premium rates. Link in the description. Your ideas deserve to be seen and heard. And now, with Synthesia, you can share them with the world in a matter of minutes. Now go create something amazing.